If you don't know by now, we are Christoph and Diane. We have a taste for adventure, and this is Sultanic life. Join us to uncharted corners, dramatic landscapes, and untamed wild places. If this speaks to your soul, then dial down and tune in to this season of Angola Uncharted. Hello and welcome back to the adventure. We kick off early, packing up for an epic 900-kilometer leg to the breathtaking Erongo Mountains. Fresh from our first wild camp, we hit the road, settling into the rhythm as we edge closer to the Angolan border. Our systems have been put to the test, and so far they're holding strong, but only time will tell if we make it through unscathed. Namibia's stunning landscapes never cease to amaze, and we're thrilled to weave another unforgettable journey across its entire length, from the Orange River to the Kunene.
you had some time here and you did a bit of digging, I think you'd find the most incredible old bottles. There's pieces of purple glass here, that beautiful, unusual purple glass.
This is an old German midden.
It's a treasure trove. Yeah, just,
Cool.
I think, just like in thick glass, and I found a glass stopper. Amazing.
Yeah, cool. Okay, off you go. Hop, hop, skibbity hop.
It smells so stable.
We go out of our way to seek solitude and get lucky in one of the most unique and surreal landscapes just north of Keetmanshoop. The Mesosaurus camp is home to the famed quiver tree and a landscape untouched by time. The local social weaver birds have extended an invitation and we shack up next to them for the night. The constant chatter is a reminder that not all wild places are quiet.
Quiet on a Sunday.
Bitumen.
Smell that bitumen.
Yeah.
Ah, here's the shell.
I go get some wood.
If you want to.
I think we need wood.
Hello, how's it? How are things?
Nice.
Nice. Good. I must go a bit more forward, eh?
Yes, sir.
The shop is open.
Shop open?
Yes, it open.
Okay.
24/7.
Okay, great. What's happening in Marienthal on Sunday?
It's just hot, sir.
Huh?
It's just hot.
It's just hot, eh? It's not too... Was it cold in the night?
Yes, sir.
Cold in the night, eh? Good morning and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while and yeah, we're on our next adventure. The next adventure is to Angola. Yeah, so just a little bit of an update. This is day 4 of the Great Trek North and we're just outside Rehoboth in Namibia at the place called Oanob Lake Resort. It's a very, very beautiful place. And yeah, today we're heading north through Windhoek, and I'm not quite sure where we're going to end up tonight, but we're taking you along for the adventure. So see you on the road. Cheers. A little desert gem.
And what form does this desert gem take?
This is a jaffle, a nice freshly made jaffle.
And what is in your jaffle?
Minced tomato sauce.
No, fresh tomato.
Fresh tomato.
Fresh tomato.
Okay. Mince, fresh tomato and cheese. Lekker. It tastes more like a big boerewors roll inside.
But we're not complaining. Yeah.
Lekker.
Really good. Woo! How's my driver doing?
Yeah, man, he's doing alright.
Yeah?
Yeah, got a new battery.
Woo! Lucky you.
Yeah, I can hear the excitement in your voice.
Woo! Bumpy, bumpy.
Yeah,
so where are we heading to right now?
we're in the Omaruru district and we are going to the Erongo Mountains.
Lekker, exciting.
And I think we're going to try and wild camp. I think I got a special spot.
Oh, secrets.
But I will only reveal it to our Patreons.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so subscribe for a cup of cheap instant coffee. We'll share the info. So head on over to the Patreon page and subscribe and join the fun. get a shot. Found the trail.
Woo-hoo!
Check it out.
Feeling. I can hear.
So the camp is at the edge of a cliff, and we can see into the west, into the sunset. This, I would rate this, I don't know, as one of the best sights. Surprises, totally unexpected, but wow, what a scene. And remember, if you like this channel, what do you have to do?
You have to like and
Subscribe.
please.
Please.
We value your
Support.
subscriptions.
We feel the love, and it's a free way to support us.